Before we get any further into the video, I wanted to take a minute to talk about our video sponsor, Anchor Solix. If you've been watching our channel for any amount of time, you know that we absolutely love having Anchor Solix products on hand to power our appliances during power outages. While it's really nice to have these devices on hand, there's some situations where it'd be really nice to have our entire house powered by one of these batteries. For example, if we have a power outage for an extended period, we'd have to pull our entire fridge out to plug it in. But Anchor just released a new product that I'm super excited to tell you about. The Anchor Solix F3800 is a portable power station designed to power your entire home. The Anchor Solix F3800 is the most accessible home power system yet. Through minimal setup, you can get this power station connected to your house so that it will automatically turn on in a power outage scenario. The Anchor Solix F3800 is the world's first portable power station to support AC coupling. This means you can connect it to your solar panels on your house and the power grid at the same time so that you can charge it when needed, and then it'll automatically power on when you lose power. What's unique about this power station is that it can be charged by solar power or the power grid that your home is already connected up to. It's a really simple process. You would purchase the product online, hire an electrician to put a panel on your house, and then hook it up. So you can get 80% of traditional home power storage systems at 50% of the price. And what's amazing about this new power station is that it can provide up to 6,000 watts of power at once, which means you can have a lot of different things running. It's designed to power your entire house, not just a few items at a time. The Anchor Solix F3800 is a 3,840 watt-hour battery, which is already a massive battery that is designed to power a lot of different things, but it is also expandable with 12 expansion batteries up to 53.8 thousand kilowatt hours of capacity. And what I love about Anchor Solix products is that they are designed to last. They are reliable up to 3,000 charge cycles or 10 years of use, so they're really just designed to last a long time. The Anchor Solix batteries also will charge up to 80% in 1 hour, so they are extremely fast recharging batteries. The Anchor Solix F3800 has two different 240 volt outlets. One is a 30 amp and then the other is a 50 amp, would be for like an electric vehicle charge. So, traditional generators that power your home in a power outage are loud, they burn fossil fuels, the engines are hard to keep running efficiently. The Anchor Solix F3800 is a perfect solution to that. It's quiet, it is clean energy, and it works extremely well. So all around, we absolutely love Anchor products. They are built to last, extremely easy to use, and they work extremely well. So if you're in the market for a home power station, I'd highly recommend the Anchor Solix F3800. It is the top of the line, best battery on the market. So if you join the Anchor Solix F3800 Kickstarter campaign, you can get up to 35% off. So I will leave a link below so you can go check that out and get some amazing savings.
All right, we are doing something totally new and different today. We are getting an Amazon clothing pallet. This is a smaller pallet, but a t-shirt's only this big.
It might take us a while.
I'm so excited, and I think that this is better than thrifting because these are new pieces. They should all be in plastic, we'll see. They're all being sold on Amazon, and from what I see from other people, it's like brand name stuff. So let's check it out. We just spent $450 on our first ever Amazon clothing pallet. So today we're gonna open it up and see what's inside.
This pallet makes me a little bit nervous because it's a total mystery and there's also a ton of items to go through in here. So
let's check it out.
All right, let's check it out.
What do you see?
Oh boy.
Wait, I can't see.
I see a lot of stuff here.
Oh boy. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of clothes.
That's a lot of clothes. We paid $450 for this. We got it from GRP Liquidations.
Oh my goodness.
It's gonna take us a while to get through this, I think. You excited?
I'm so excited. I think that I'm gonna have to start a Poshmark or Mercari to sell all this stuff because...
Yeah, that was what I was worried about, but she's our listing queen around here, so this is gonna be her job, I think.
Oh my goodness. Let's go. Hello, kitty.
All right, let's start digging through it.
So I'm curious to see how many items there are on here, because if there's like 300 items, that's like $1 something a piece.
All right, this is gonna take us a while, so we're gonna get started.
Let's go. We're gonna open them up and show you. All right, we got our first
Red
dress.
Oh, this is not clothing.
Oh, Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh, scary.
Spooky Halloween.
Okay.
All right, get some denim here.
Some jeans.
There's
A
jeans,
little
though?
stain on it.
It does.
Yep. So
Oh.
I thought these might all be new, but maybe they're not. Maybe they are returns.
We'll see.
I don't know. Some Hello Kitty little jammies here for a little girl.
Cute.
Cute.
Oh, swimsuit. This looks kind of stylish.
That's cute. I got another swimsuit here. This one's cute. It's got new with tags. MSRP $33. As you guys know, we have started a new secret side hustle. It's not so secret anymore because it's out in the open. We shared it last week. We are reviewing Amazon products, and then we get paid a commission anytime anyone watches that video and buys that product. I can actually review these bathing suits just by showing it off, talking about what I like about it, and getting paid for it. So if you're interested in that, we'll leave a link below and go ahead and check that out. What you got?
What do we got here? Another non-clothing item. Oh, no, it is clothing. Faith, it says.
Ooh, I got some sort of like a dress.
Fancy.
Well, it's got like the cute little cutouts. I don't have the exact dress here, but these run about $45.
Okay, so this one's definitely used.
Really?
But it's all wrapped up.
But they made it look new?
Yeah, but there's hair on it. So this looks like maybe sheets or something. Duvet cover set. That's used for sure. This one looks pretty stylish.
You think so?
Yeah.
Some overalls? Something new today. Are those for you or for me?
No, I don't know. Here you go.
Big old pregnant belly, I'll wear those.
Yeah, you should wear these.
Okay, I got a pack of Real Essentials. Oh, that is like athletic material. But look at all these colors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts
A 5
here.
pack? Nice.
And they're like, feel really quality.
Is it Amazon Essentials?
No, it says Real Essentials.
Oh, interesting.
But look at that. Those are nice.
That is nice. I should keep those.
Well, they're not your size.
And this one has a nice zip. Women's shorts.
All right, so a lot of this stuff doesn't seem to be branded yet, but that's okay.
Another swimsuit.
I got a swimsuit here too. Swimsuits, okay.
This looks kind of like a fancy one here.
You think so?
I don't know what I'm looking at, but there's some stuff that's not closed. This is like a weighted blanket.
Okay.
Okay.
We got French Toast brand. This is like school uniforms. That should sell pretty well. These are like the boy shorts, I think.
We maybe bit off more than we can chew here.
This is a lot.
This is a lot. I don't think listing individually on eBay or even Poshmark really makes the most sense.
Well, it does if they're high-end items. So let me look this one up. We got another bathing suit here. And if they're new with tags. All right, so this swimsuit here is a $60 swimsuit. So definitely worth selling on Poshmark or Mercari, things like that, which I don't have a ton of experience in, but I'm looking forward to learning. But it's new with tags, so I don't see why I couldn't get at least 50% retail value on that. I think we got some goodies here. It's a little overwhelming. Jamie's a little overwhelmed.
The name brand stuff we list and then do like a garage sale or find someone else who is willing to list these. Because even if you have, you know, $2 an item, there's 500 items, it's $1,000, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So
these are like boxing shorts, I think.
boxing shorts, that's right. How'd you know that?
Well, look at them. And new with tags. $38 for these shorts.
Wow. Sweet.
See? It's overwhelming, but if you get a system down, it's good stuff.
Yeah, the two parts to reselling is buy low, which we definitely bought low. I mean, this MSRP is going to be probably super high.
Yeah.
And you got to find a way to sell them efficiently. So that's step 2 here.
But I mean, I think we'll be able to make our money back in like 10 or 20, probably 20 items. 30.
100, maybe 100 items.
So if you are a clothing reseller and you're spending all your time looking through the thrift stores, which is super fun, I love doing that also, but these are new with tagged items, most of them anyway. And then you have all your inventory just given to you in a box. I think if you're a clothing reseller and you're not doing this, you're missing out.
Yeah, I mean, $10. Baby swim diapers, brand new.
Nice.
Sweet. I found one that interests me. My first one.
Let's see it.
It says Carhartt.
Ooh, okay.
I mean, even their t-shirts are like 25, 30 bucks.
Yeah,
so.
they are. Oh, careful with the tag.
Oof, yeah, that would be bad. Carhartt t-shirt XL, brand new with tags.
Nice.
Sweet.
It's a good color.
I like that color too.
Ooh.
All right, we're getting some good stuff here.
Oh my. What is this?
Oh. What is that?
It's probably, they go around chairs maybe?
Oh,
for like a
so
wedding?
not clothing. Oh,
You
yeah.
think?
Yep, yep.
So I have, I don't even know, 30, 50 here. So I could probably sell that in like one of the wedding Facebook groups. There's like individual groups on Facebook that you can list stuff. One of them that I'm a part of is people who resell different things for weddings. So this would be a good one for that.
This feels like kind of a nice quality
That's
dress.
like a bridesmaid dress. This kind of looks like the dress I'm wearing.
It does actually.
Doesn't it?
Wow.
See? $43.
There you go.
This is
Sweet.
good stuff. I don't know why you're naysaying. This is good. Look at what I got here too, James.
What's that?
Levi jeans.
Oh, sweet.
I knew they'd be in here.
Sweet.
Levi's.
Ooh, it's a fancy pillowcase. Plant Scope, $30 pillowcase.
Wow.
This looks like a trendy looking branding here.
You think so?
What's the one? Yeah.
You're thinking of Zara.
Zara, yeah. Zaffle.
That's not the same.
It's not?
No. Hot pink.
Barbie. That's a good year to sell it.
Yeah, it
'cause of
sure
the Barbie
is.
movie.
Yep. Playtex bra.
Fruit of the Loom boxers.
Fruit of the
from
Loom
this.
underwear.
Brand new.
Brand
Hold up, sweet. Yeah,
Yes.
used underwear would be
That would be
gross.
rough.
All right, this feels heavy.
Yeah?
It has a tag on it here. Oh, what is this? Is it a wetsuit? Oh.
No.
No, is it like a corset? Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's like a corset here. That's probably expensive.
All right, so I got a long sleeve bodysuit here that sells for $28.99. Brand new. Look at this stuff will be so easy to ship too. Even if you're only making 10, 15 bucks per product,
Right.
it only costs you $5 to ship it because it's
Right.
under a pound.
This is like shapewear here, 30 bucks. Still with the tags on it.
I just think clothing might be where it's at. It's a lot of time listing, but there's good stuff in here, I think. Hey, we got some Under Armour boxers.
20 bucks.
20 bucks it says on it. There you go. Great, what are you doing?
Well, as you can see, we have a big mess here on our hands. And we just kind of got started. We're not even halfway through this box yet, so.
You gonna dump it? Oh no. Oh no, so many. I think I got a full-time career on my hands here.
Yeah, I might need to hire somebody. Holy cow.
Okay, here we go. Should we do some speed rounds?
Speed round, let's go.
All right.
All right, we got some Dickies here.
Women's cardigan. Woo. Here's 5 more of those basic tees. Oh, I got some pillows.
Bed set, okay.
Yep.
Sun, salt, sand. Feels cozy.
All right. Cargo pants. These are 35 bucks right here.
Oh, Dockers.
All right.
Hey, this is a good one. Dockers khakis, $62.
Whoa.
Sweet, yeah. See that?
Sweet.
Your dress pants.
All right, let's do another speed round, okay?
All right, speed round, here we go.
22
Yeah, this
bucks,
is 35 bucks.
though. Really?
Yep, brand new tags.
This is like a cute little overall top thing,
Random power cord here for something.
but that's cute.
Towels, bath towels, black set.
Okay.
Okay.
Something green. Another pink swimsuit. Got a bath mat. Whoops. And some curtains or shower curtains, something.
So I'm sure you guys get the gist by now. We got a lot of clothes here to sort through. We're gonna count up the amount of clothes total we have and then figure out an average MSRP of each item to give you a total MSRP. Stay tuned.
Woo. Woo. So this is what 379 clothing items look like in this pallet. So we have a lot of work ahead of us, but definitely a good pallet seeing how we only paid $450 for it. So that's a little over $1 an item. That's a pretty good deal.
Pretty good. So we estimate that the average price per item in this pallet is around $30. So what is that?
30 to 60. You're being a little on the low end, I think, but
Well, let's see.
Yeah, do
Let's
the
pull out the
math.
calculator here.
so we get all of our pallets from GRP Liquidations. If you guys are in the area, I would highly recommend checking them out. Even if you're not, I think it's worth a little drive. He's got some awesome deals, just good, honest people.
All right, so if that's the case, this would be 11,000 MSRP, which is crazy.
Nice.
But this is a little different than our usual pallet. I don't think we'll be able to sell this for 50% MSRP.
True.
Probably more like 20 to 25%. But that is still a really good profit. It's just a lot more labor too. So there's more profit but more labor. You'd probably only be able to flip. I mean, we'll see. This is going to take a few months probably.
At least,
So-
yep. Get a little setup for taking photos. And
Reviewing
then,
items potentially too. Yeah.
yes, lots of good things are coming out of this pallet. I'm happy with it, but we got our work cut out for us, so we got to get going.
Again, if you're a thrifter and you spend all your time thrifting at thrift stores for your merchandise, this may be a lot easier of an option. So,
New with tags mostly.
yep. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next
See ya.
time. Bye.